Hello everyone and welcome to Vlinko's channel. In today's video, I will guide you on how to resolve the network error code 0x800704cf on Windows 11. And now let's get started. If you are facing network error code 0x800704cf on your Windows 11 device, do not worry, as it is a resolvable issue. The first step to address this error is to run the network troubleshooter. To do this, right-click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Once in Settings, navigate to the System tab. Scroll down the page until you find the Troubleshoot option and select it. Then, click on Other Troubleshooters. You will see a list of troubleshooters. Locate the one for network and internet and click on Run. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the troubleshooting process. If running the troubleshooter did not resolve the error, the next approach involves performing a network reset. Stay within the Settings application. Go back to the Network and Internet section. Scroll down and find Advanced Network Settings, then select it. Here you will find an option for Network Reset. Click on Reset Now. A confirmation prompt will appear asking if you are sure. Click on Yes to proceed with the network reset. Your computer will restart after this process, and it is a highly effective solution for many network-related problems. Hope this was helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.